Hi, my name is Nate. I go by a lot of names like Nader, Nader Tater, Nader Tot, asshole. Depends on who you ask. But it does not explain what the hell are we even doing here. I couldn't explain that at all, even if I fucking tried. You know when you think up like everything perfectly, and then you go back to like try to record it and give it to everybody, and then like it never works out? Well, that's exactly what's happening right now. I had this beautiful fucking speech to open this thing up, but I could not think of anything for the life of me the minute the fucking microphone started rolling. So the best I could bring into this is when I survived and or more or less made the decision not to end my life for the fourth time. No one gives you any good recipe books to tell you what to do after you have done fucked everything up in your life. So, and I'm sure there's plenty of like, hey, look at this book or try these. I get it. But that's from somebody else's perspective. I don't really understand it. So, I guess what I'm trying to say is that my next music journey is more or less going to be my journal that I have needed to keep forever. A long time. Let's be real. So this is the only healthy way I could think of explaining what happened to me, what is happening to me, and hopefully we can all band together and try to laugh, cry, yell, whatever we need to try to move on past these things and become our greater selves. So, once again, if you don't know who I am, my name is Nate Garrison. Welcome, Obsidian Heart, if you had made it this far on this journey. Welcome to BRUXISM. This is the explanation of how I became Clenched Jaw. At least I think. It is officially 7 o'clock in the morning. Today I woke up at 5:55 a.m. I don't know what the fuck that means, but it scared the shit out of me. But I couldn't go back to sleep since. But today is officially starting filming of whatever the fuck this is, bro. You know what I mean? I already filmed on my birthday, letting you guys know that, hey, baby, this is Nate Garrison. We're going solo dolo. Musician name now, Clenched Jaw, baby. Because we got anxiety. But this is officially breaking ground on filming day one because I got a text message last night, way late last night, saying, hey, bro, we could sneak you in for your studio session today. And they'll let me know if anything happens. So I'm just going to be excited up until either A, they cancel, or I film more, me walking in this bitch and recording my very first song. Yeah. Right now I'm going to go get coffee for me and my beautiful wife, though. Because, man, am I fucking tired. I hope it goes through. That'd be fun. I've been looking forward to this since, like, fucking... It's 20 years? Can we say 20 years? I hope it goes through. I'm looking so forward to it. If not, it's okay. It's okay. We got next time, baby. We're going to get a lot of this because this is what it's all about. You know what I mean? I'm so tired of just like phantom bands and not seeing where everything came from, baby. I'm going to give you guys full access. You're going to get tired of me. I'm already tired of me. So why BRUXISM? Well, that's an easy answer. It's because I can't stop grinding my fucking teeth. And I never have been able to do so since I was a child. So what BRUXISM means is that... it's like involuntary grinding of your teeth while you're sleeping and sometimes while you're awake due to an anxiety-ridden disorder or other things I can't remember because I am affected by a general anxiety disorder. That means I cannot enjoy fucking anything. But here's my attempt at enjoying music. Here we go. Here's another update to whatever the fuck this shit is. I'm in my car, per usual, during my lunchtime. See, here's what it is. This is why I wanted to record this, right? It's because most people think that, like, before they go and record their debut shit, or they go and, like, try to make history with whatever, they don't talk about, like, the real shit. You know what I mean? Like, most people are like, I took the whole day off, or these type of things. Like, nah, player. This is real life. I had to go to fucking work today. I'm only taking off just a little bit early, just so I had enough time to go home and get all of my shit, which you'll see, and then bring it into the studio with me. Now, I don't know why I'm so nervous, because normally I'm like meeting a bunch of people. Shit, I don't even have anybody going with me, so like I'm legit like in the trenches on this when I'm legit just packing up, going in there and recording it all until I could bring in the rest of the dudes that I need to do gang vocals, because I can't do it on my own. Or else I would. But we got to pick a bunch of people, so. But yeah, it's not glitz or glamour. I always think about that interview with like NF where he talks about like handing over that amount of money that he's been putting aside for all of it. And he's like, man, that's extra groceries, or, that's a couple months of bills right there. And, and he just has to hand it over. Oh, and it just cuts you deep. But like, it feels like that moment where you're just like, now, obviously I would never put myself financially in trouble with this shit anymore. I've already done that like more than I can ever explain, but just understand that it's like why everybody else is using these funds to like get newer things, indulge in life and stuff. It's like some artists and some people just can't help but like take those extra monies where people would get like a new game console, fucking a new car even. And they're like, you know what? I'm going to take this massive wad of cash and I'm betting it on me and me only. So, fuck it. Now let's be real. I've been doing this for about 20 years plus. And I've got to play a lot of cool shows. I've produced a lot of cool songs. I would say some pretty decent music videos. But still, nothing has made me feel more nervous than what's about to happen next. All right, we're officially off work. Let's go pack everything and fucking do this thing. I feel like I could shit and throw up at the same time, both out of my asshole for some reason. Yes, you heard that right. Vomiting and shitting out of my asshole at the same time. We just wanted to repeat that because, dear Lord, I cannot explain to you how nervous I freaking was before going into my first studio session on my very own. Loaded. I know, it only looks like a few things, but there's a lot of shit in there. Let's fucking do it. Haven't got to say this in a minute, but I'm about to pull up to the studio. So I'm gonna go fast because time is fucking money. But I'll catch some other stuff. I just wanted to show you the mindset and how fucking scared I am. I didn't call anybody. I didn't have anybody to talk to because I'm trying to get that full experience of being on my fucking own. Man, it is lonely. It's fucking scary. But you know what? We're going to do it. If anyone's going to do it, we're going to do it. All right, let's get it. So on my travel to the studio, I made it a goal for myself to not call anyone and just bask in my entire nerves as I was heading towards the studio to record my very first single for Clenched. And let me tell you, folks, that was better than any cup of coffee I think I've ever drank. I was wired.
Please don't try so hard, 'cause we both know it's useless.
Yeah, bro, I'm so easy.
I figured we're gonna do these live drums, right? For this.
That was up to you. I didn't know. I was just trying to make the session as easy and as quick as possible and to leave it open to interpretation, I guess you can say, because I don't want to make it super tough where a drummer can't come and sit and play it. You know what I mean? I mean, I love you, but you're really good. You know what I mean?
I wouldn't go really anything beyond what you already have.
Okay.
Yeah, I would just do this, but live cake. You know what
I mean,
it's gonna get sampled anyway, but like it might.
Now, I don't know if this will change anything, but I still have like good connections with Grant McFarlane at Atrium. And I sent him the demo to this, and I told him I was coming in here to like do it like for real. And he was like, well, let me know when it's done. So I don't, at the end of this, I just want him to look at each other and be like, this is it, dude. You know, and be like, cool. And that could be with sending it out to get mastered or not.
Gotcha.
You know what I mean? I don't care. I just want to go sonically big. I want somebody to put this in their car stereo and be like, holy shit. You know?
Right.
That's it. That's all I care about. My lust for the industry kind of died the day I left Preacher. I couldn't fathom thinking about if this was going to chart, if people were going to download it, or anything. The best I could say was that I was just trying my best to come from the heart. Think about it. If I have ever inspired you, taken you away for a concert and gotten you away from some bullshit for 30 fucking minutes, 1 minute, an hour, if I've ever had a conversation with you that maybe changed the course in your life, or that you watch me even right now and it gives you just some motivation to go, that should be enough for you to go click that download button on the song that is coming out. This is a weird sight. Seeing Nader at guitar. Actually, you know what? If this was like me, like 13, 14, this is what I looked like at all fucking times. Like even sleeping, I was like...
Well,
I still managed to be mediocre. I'm ready.
8 count, and then yeah.
Okay.
Ready?
You know what's funny? Is that when I originally got into music, all I could think about was playing guitar. Like, if you had asked me when I first started this whole entire shit, what I would be, like, potentially in the future, it was going to be the best guitar player in the world. I'm nowhere close to that. But if you had told me I was going to be a vocalist, I would have told you you were a fucking liar. But here we are. Still getting used to filming myself, like everywhere I go, you know what I mean? Oh, that's so much better. So we get our first little smoky treat break. I know you guys are having a hard time seeing me, but it's raining outside. I'm in front of the studio. Played both guitar and bass for this one. Pretty sweet. I was not expecting Alan to drum on this, so I'm very excited. I thought we were just gonna do fake drums, but I'm just trying to keep my internal confetti from going like, holy shit. But here we go, fam. A little smoky break. We're gonna get back in there and finish this tune that we've been sitting on. It's just stuck in here, man. Get the fuck out, you know? Love you. I wasn't even recording. Anyway, I'm gonna give away the ultimate Nader vocal secrets in these videos, which unfortunately is gonna piss a lot of people off because I do very minimal preparation for literally anything in my life. So I'm sorry. There's no crazy warm-up. There's no vocal tactic that I can give you. I'm just gonna do this until I can't. and we're gonna figure out what that means.
I feel like hella loud headphones.
Yo. This is what you all came for. What do you want? Big fucking neck like it! As most musicians know, you can't always finish everything in one session. So, part 2, incoming, right about... So, this is just the morning after, because remember we were talking about how, like, things aren't really glamorous ever when you're starting out, or ever. Everybody's just lying, bro. So, yesterday... we woke up at 5:55 a.m. Don't know what that's about. Fucking cooked breakfast for wifey poo. Got coffee. Worked all fucking day. Felt like absolute shit. Then we went and recorded. It was fucking awesome. It was one of those things like where when people say, if you don't have anything nice to say, don't say it at all. But alls I have is like the opposite of that. Like alls I have is like fucking nice things and positive things to say about this experience. But, I mean, you'll catch me in the moment for a lot of the other videos. A lot of funny shit, man. It's so funny being able to, like, just be in your own skin like that. Fuck up completely, but be really good at it, dude. Not everybody's perfect, and that's why I love the studio so much, just because you get to be so humbled by it, because you think, like, one way it's gonna go, or you think you're good at something, and you're not. But you figure it out, you know, so you kind of adapt to it, and that's just how it rolls. So, shout out Alan Terry, dude. Fucking absolute GOAT. I love you forever. I don't know what any of this means, but we're going to keep pushing it. It's like, I don't know if I said it in, like, any of the videos while we were hanging out. I don't know how to package this and bring it outward where people don't think, like, I'm just getting in a van and, like, leaving tomorrow. That's just not possible. Being a solo artist, you're financially responsible for everything, and even as just talking about it, like hiring people to go play a show, I don't think I can, even in this climate, like pay anybody less than like $100 to show up in that position just for the show. And we're not talking about like rehearsals or any of that, right? So I have no idea what a musician costs anymore, just because holy F. But who knows? You just start. You just start and you see what the fuck happens, right? And if I can ever muster to get enough songs out and put a band together to go push this outward, then fucking baby, you know I'm going to come hang out. But it's not going to grind or take away from my personal life, okay? My family means everything. I will be there forever. You know what I mean? Dog, you know that situation where, like, everything goes wrong? Yeah, that's today. So, I guess let's go ahead and start studio session number 2. And I think this might be our final day. Maybe 3 days, maybe. But I'm thinking we should be able to wrap tonight. So, but right now, we are picking up our very, very good friend, Daniel Dibna. And, we need him for gang vocals because everybody's schedule fell through. Oh, shit. You gotta unlock the door.
The other ride. Oh, hey, what's up?
Get on in. So, we're gonna go try to make this work with 4. I was asked for 5. We got 4.
I think we could do it.
Thank you. Thank you.
I know it's all set, but that's why I wanted to give you that beforehand because I don't want to, put you in the middle of anything. But yes, that needs to get done for sure. That's on.
If you roll it and put it over your face,
so
it will
we'll have to figure out a time to get that on.
Really? Yes, sir. I thought this out.
Yeah,
I'll show you.
say the least. Let me see your guys. But thank you.
So,
Yeah.
I think if I got this right, it's just three. It's just 3 rolls. 1,
Is that
2,
like a anger pick, yeah?
and then a third. And then if you put it over your face, it should be perfect.
Oh shit! I didn't even see that. That's awesome.
Yeah.
It worked perfect for the music video.
That's sick.
We got influences. And,
Shit, I feel like Paul Rudd. Hey, look at this.
yeah.
That would be here? Not me. Not me. Not in a million years.
Yeah.
So yeah, this is gonna be funky. That's okay. Don't be afraid to be embarrassed. I know right before you go do your first gusto and no one does it and we all start laughing. That's okay. That's 100% encouraged here. Silly goose time, absolutely. Okay, but try this.
Yeah.
Fuck you.
Okay. And we can get more aggressive. Let's do it for real. Ready?
Bro, fuck you. Fuck you! Fuck you!
Or did you already switch places?
No, we just spread out. This is fun. Musical chairs. They're in.
Fuck you! Fuck you! It's like shooting a gun, doesn't it? It feels good.
Yeah.
If anybody knows me personally, then you understand that I have slight weird quirks, like not liking staring in the mirror. The next one is I fucking hate getting my picture taken. So, vampire, possibly. But here is my photo shoot for, shit, I think this just creates the image and sends it home for how I'm feeling, what I look like, the best of my ability where I could, I don't know, not throw up in my mouth a little bit.
Cool. All right. Make sure you go ahead for it.
It's weird. This is nice. I'm not gonna lie.
Gotta have the Coke. Gotta have the Coke Zero.
Yo, fuck government control.
And fuck Christmas.
Jesus' birthday is on the 25th.
Right. Let's try a shot like that, and then just kind of look to the camera. Yes, like that. Okay, I like that. Let's turn the chair around. Oh, damn it! How about look straight to the lens while you do it this time? Do you wanna get some shots with your guitar?
Huh? Nah.
No?
Nope.
That's it?
That's it, baby. See? That wasn't so bad. Now let's take a deep breath. Beautiful. Unclench that jaw, baby. Because what comes next is always unknown. Who fucking knows what this life has to hold? And isn't that the most exciting thing about everything? Is that when we wake up, we don't know. But we do try our fucking best. And that's all I got for you guys is I will try my fucking best. I'm here for you. And we will get through this together, babies. I will write. I will play. I will scream. And I hope you guys can hear me. I love you. I'm Nate Garrison, a.k.a. Clenched Jaw. I feel like whoever sent this back, like, sent, like, the baddest bitch back, dude. Because it just had, like, a little scratch on it, and I'm like, dude, this thing fucks.